Hello students, today I am here for my English medium students. Myself Rashmi Joysar and I am here to teach you Pythagoras theorem for my English medium students. So guys, let's start the Pythagoras theorem for English version.
Start.
So guys, my dear friends, my students, here we are studying about Pythagoras theorem. So our mathematician Pythagoras says us that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So if we study this statement word by word, then what does he first say? In a right triangle. So let us draw first a right triangle. So here we have right triangle ABC. ABC. Right angled at B. Here you can see 90-degree angle makes it a right angle. And always remember the side which is opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse. Right? So, what we are going to prove is that the square of hypotenuse, it means hypotenuse square, is equals to the sum of the square of sum means plus total, other two sides, total of other two sides. And not only the total, but we are going to make it again a square. In symbolic way, we will write it like hypotenuse. What is our hypotenuse in the figure? That is AC. So AC square is equals to other two sides, and that we have our AB square plus BC square. So this is what the result we are going to prove. This is the thing which we are going to prove. But for that, we need some information, we need some data. So what is the data? That in triangle ABC, angle B is a right angle. Right? It is given only in the theorem part that in a triangle ABC, angle B is a right angle. Now, let's prove. So, that will known as proof. For proving something, we are going to give a proof. For proof, we will start it with the provided information. And what is the provided information to us? Is angle B is a right angle. Now, sometime what happens? That we also have to assume something. It means in this figure, we will assume like BD, here D is perpendicular to AC, right? So here it becomes a perpendicular. So at D, that will become 90-degree angles also. Now as you can see in triangle ABC, if angle B is a right angle, then angle A and angle C, that will be acute angles in triangle ABC. Angle A and angle C are acute angles, right? Now as we have taken BD perpendicular to AC, it gives us A dash D dash C. Now AC is our hypotenuse and D is a collinear point of AC. So I can say like AD is a one part and CD is the another part of AC. And with the help of these two parts, we can make the full line segment AC. So AD plus CD is equals to AC. This will be our result number 1. Now students, as per corollary मीन्स हिंदी में हम उसको क्या कहेंगे? उपप्रमेय. मतलब पाइथागोरस का प्रमेय प्रूफ करने के लिए हमें एक उपप्रमेय की हेल्प लेनी होगी. दैट इज corollary in English. What corollary says that AB another two sides, it means AB अगर उसका स्क्वायर करना है, if we make square of AB is equals to related side of AB and related side is AD multiplied by hypotenuse and that is AC. Again another side and that is BC. Make a square of it is equals to related side of BC and that related side is CD multiplied by hypotenuse again and that is AC. Now with the help of this corollary, we will prove our result. How? We will add these both the corollaries. It means you can see the sign of equal to here, right? So we will add these both corollary, that is AB square plus BC square, right, is equals to, now right hand side, that is AD multiply AC plus CD multiply AC. Now focus on these two results. You can see that this is the sign of the addition, and on the left hand side and on the right hand side you can see AC part common, right? So that will be taken out as a common. What remains? We will write into it a bracket. AD multiply AC. AC is the outer part now. So what remains? We have, that is AD plus CD we have. So CD, AC is the outer part and bracket over. Now you can see we duly have written or we duly have derived that AD plus CD is equals to AC. So we can write in place of here like AC multiplied by AC. How does it come? From result 1, right? Now AC multiply AC, what does it give us? AC square, right? So hence it is proved AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. This is our result which we are trying to prove. Here you can see, right? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Clear, my students? So students, I hope you are getting the concept of Pythagoras theorem. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions, if you have any questions, you undoubtedly ask me anytime. So this was Rashmi Didi. Thank you.